Greetings, family. Beautiful day out here. It's a beautiful day. Look. I always come out here and talk to the beautiful nature, the trees. Hey, look. Hello, beautiful. Give me a handshake. Come on. Touch my hand. It is a beautiful day. Y'all are beautiful. Come on. Let's do it. There you go. See? I'm not bullshitting. Y'all think it be a game. Y'all just seen that tree touch my hand. Y'all gotta connect with Big Mama and Mother Nature. Alright? As you become more powerful in your energy, you can bend things at your will, but you have to be righteous. It ain't no you know what I'm saying? You want that to come from Big Mama. You want that to come from the divine. Alright? So I'm gonna come back and fuck with y'all later on. I say.